Hello guys, welcome back to another part of PHP tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how to create a comment in PHP. A comment in PHP is the statement which is visible on the source of a web page and it is not visible on the browser. That means it is invisible on the client browser. So here I using the source code that we already created for the previous part of this tutorial. So here I am going to create another statement here using the echo statement. This statement this statement is a comment. Okay, I just create a statement with an echo. This statement is a comment. I just save it and open my browser and refresh it, and this statement is a comment. Now that statement is visible on the browser window. You view the page source. Here is the statement that we printed using the echo statement. This statement is a comment. So now I don't want this statement available in client browser, so I'm going to make this statement as a comment in PHP. For making a single line as a comment in PHP, you need to place a hash symbol at the beginning of that line. Now this statement is a comment. That means this statement is not available on the client browser. So I save it. So go to the browser. I just again refresh that page. You can see that now that comment is not available on the browser. Now go to the page source of this page. View the page source. Here you can see that now that comment is not available on the browser window. That means on the client side. So if you want to make a set of statement, or you need, in some situations you need to make a paragraph as a comment. In the situation you need something more than this hash symbol. Also it is possible to use a double backward slash for creating a comment. Now I save it again. This also make the same effect when we insert a hash symbol here. Now again open up your browser and recompile it. Now you can also see that again that comment is not available on the client window. Now I am going to create another statement here. Now I just create uh, again two more comments here using that echo statement. Now I am going to make this paragraph as a comment. So again I save it. Now go open up the browser. Now you can see that two statement is available because I am not making that two statement as comment. So in order to make a paragraph as a comment, you need to insert something like this. Use this for slash symbol, and using the a star at the starting of that paragraph, and here is the ending of that paragraph. Again put a star symbol and use the slash here. Now this is the paragraph comment. That means this paragraph is not available on the client or the browser window. Now again I save it. Now open up the browser and compile it. Now you can see that that paragraph is now missing, or it is unavailable on the browser window. This is how we using a comment in PHP for creating or for commenting a single line in PHP. You can use either the hash symbol. You can use either the hash symbol or the slash or the two slash symbol here, like this. For making a paragraph as a comment, you can use this. you can use a hash symbol with the asterisk also, with that hash symbol. This is how we using a comment in PHP. Guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel now for getting more video updates.